In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a plain text email in MailChimp, step by step. This is a great option if you want a simple, clean email without images, buttons, or heavy formatting. Plain text emails can feel more personal, they're easy to read, and in some cases they can even improve deliverability and engagement. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy MailChimp guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then sign in to your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside your MailChimp dashboard where you can create and manage all of your email campaigns. Now look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is the section where MailChimp stores all your email marketing campaigns, including drafts, scheduled emails, and sent campaigns. From here, you're going to create a brand new plain text email. To do that, click the Create button in the top right corner. A menu will appear with different campaign options. Select Email, and then choose Plain Text. This tells MailChimp that you want to build a simple, text-only email instead of a designed campaign with templates and formatting. Next, MailChimp will ask you to name your campaign. This is just an internal name for your own organization, so don't worry about recipients seeing it. Give it a clear name that will help you remember what the email is for, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. After that, click Begin. Now it's time to choose your recipients. This is one of the most important steps because it determines who will receive your plain text email. You can send it to your entire audience, a saved segment, a tag, a group, or even a newly created segment. Pick the audience that makes the most sense for your message, then click Next to continue. On the Campaign Settings page, MailChimp will ask you to fill in the important details for your email. This includes the campaign name, if you want to change it, the subject line, the preview text, the from name, and the from email address. Take a moment here and make sure everything looks professional and consistent with your brand. If you want, you can also enable MailChimp Inbox so you can manage replies more easily. You can also personalize the To field so subscribers see their names in the email header when possible. That small touch can make your email feel more personal and improve open rates. Scroll down and review any additional settings, such as tracking and social sharing options. These settings help MailChimp track performance and control how the campaign behaves after it's sent. Once you've checked everything, click Next. Now you'll be taken to the plain text editor. This is where you write or paste your message. Since this is a plain text email, you won't have bold text colors, images, or buttons like you would in a regular designed campaign. But that's actually the point. Plain text emails work best when they're simple, direct, and easy to scan. As you write your message, you can still include full website URLs, merge tags for personalization, and clear call to action text. For example, you might ask subscribers to reply, visit a link, or check out an update. Keep the tone natural and readable, like you're writing a real message to a real person. Before moving on, review your message carefully for spelling, links, and clarity. When your email content is ready, click Next to go to the review page. This is your final chance to check everything before sending. Carefully review the recipient audience, subject line, preview text from information, email content, and campaign settings. If MailChimp shows any warnings or suggestions, take a moment to resolve them before you continue. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to send. Click Send, and MailChimp will deliver your plain text email campaign to the audience you selected. And that's it. Your plain text email has now been successfully created and sent in MailChimp. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step MailChimp tutorials, email marketing tips, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.